Brahmanand Narayan Hridayalaya Super Speciality Healthcare Destination, a unit of Narayan Hridayalaya, India's largest public access healthcare system, in association with Brahmananda Seva Sadan, a charitable trust at Jamshedpur. Under the chairmanship of Dr. Devi Shetty, the source of philosophy, direction and inspiration behind Narayan Hridayalaya, Dr. Shetty returned from Guy's Hospital, London with a mission to bridge the time, distance and affordability gaps in world-class healthcare facilities. He has a desire to make all kind of super specialized medical and surgical care available and affordable to the common man. Our desire is to emerge as a healthcare destination and training hub for everyone all over the world and reach to the masses in the remote corner of the country and outside. Our dream is to make sophisticated healthcare facilities available to the masses irrespective of status, class, creed or community, with the sole aim of care, compassion and service to the sick and unhealthy. Brahmanand Narayan Hridayalaya, one of a kind in Eastern India, has the infrastructure and expertise to perform 4 to 5 heart surgeries, 15 to 18 cardiac catheterization, 2 to 3 joint replacement and high-end orthopedic surgeries, 8 to 10 laparoscopic, general and gynecological surgeries, 45 to 50 hemodialysis a day. A team of renowned cardiologists, cardiac surgeons, orthopedic surgeons, general and laparoscopic surgeons, nephrologists, experienced resident doctors, cardiac trained nurses, technicians and perfusionists are present round the clock to deal with any emergencies and responsible for optimum utilization of all resources. The hospital has specialities like anesthesia and critical care, cardiac surgery, cardiology, chest medicine, dental, diabetic clinic, dietary and nutrition, general medicine, general surgery, gynecology and fertility clinic, interventional cardiology, laparoscopic surgery, nephrology, neurology, orthopedics and joint replacement, pediatric cardiology, physiotherapy, plastic surgery and radiology. Our future expansion: neurosurgery, kidney transplantation and onco surgery. Diagnostic services include echo screening, 2D echo, echo collar Doppler, carotid Doppler study, electrocardiogram, treadmill test, Holter monitor, kidney biopsy, ultrasonography, endoscopy, colonoscopy, X-ray, CT scan and MRI. Facilities: cath lab, flat panel cath lab, one of the best and the sophisticated cath lab machine which provides good quality of images to do the procedures accurately. All kind of interventional cardiac procedures such as angiography, angioplasty, balloon valvoplasty, pacemaker implantation, device closure of septal defects, etc. are performed. Operation theatre: 2 cardiac operation theatres equipped with the international standard laminar flow which ensures sterility to prevent infection during surgery, where all kind of heart surgery are done at par with any other center in the country. 1 super speciality OT, specially designed and equipped with international standard laminar flow and modern equipments to perform joint replacement and other high-end surgeries. 2 general operation theatre, well equipped to perform all types of general, laparoscopic, plastic and gynec surgery. Dialysis unit, with 14 dialysis machines in the unit, we are performing around 45 to 50 hemodialysis every day and emerge as one of the largest dialysis unit in Bihar, Jharkhand and Orissa. With 200 beds well equipped and maintained, CCU, ITU, general wards, semi-private wards, private wards, deluxe rooms, centralized oxygen line and centrally air-conditioned, having 24 hours generator and UPS backup. In-house pharmacy managed by the hospital. fully equipped air-conditioned cardiac ambulance having ventilator, defibrillator, cardiac monitors, etc. to deal with any cardiac emergency during transit. Health checkup programs. To make assessment of one's cardiac status easier, we conduct specially designed heart checkup programs. The programs have been designed under the able guidance of highly qualified and experienced medical professionals of our hospital. Social activities. Senior Citizen Cell. Senior Citizen Club is a very special service wing for our respected senior guests above 60 years. This facility is also for parents and other seniors of children who are out of the country. After getting registered in the club, the members can avail concession in OPD and IPD admission as per policy. Guest Support Cell helps patients from economically backward families to undergo necessary surgeries in the hospital at a concessional package. Also, the patients are sent to various funding agencies, government and non-government organizations to gather funds for surgery. In our effort to take healthcare to the doorsteps of the masses and as a part of its outreach program, Brahmanand Narayan Hridyalaya regularly conducts free health camps all over the state. The charitable wing of hospital has tied up its hand with Smile Train organization to provide free surgeries for cleft lip and cleft palate poor patients who cannot afford the surgery.